I have 98 marks. I'm so glad to hear that.
99, 99, 99, 91, 89. I have improved your 60 marks to 98 marks.
First.
I am the first of the Ashoka Vidyalaya, Colombo 10.
Yes, sir.
Each and every class, 6 to 11, single medium, English medium, every class. There are a lot of students who has the highest marks in the class and also in the section as well. The students who are coming to my class regularly put your first term test marks 90, 90, 98, 90, 95, 94, 95, 82, 80, 87, 90, 99, 99, 99, 91, 89, 90. 60 has become 98, good transformation. 70, 79, 83, 77, 88, 78, 85, 89, 96, 92, 89, 93, 80, 88. 60 has become 90, good transformation. 81 become 87, 84, 75 has become 99, 95, 87. 26 has become 81, 90, 99, 98, 92, 99. So Situli Limansa has the highest marks in the class. Situli,
Yes, sir.
so you have the highest marks in your class.
Yes, sir. I have the highest marks in class.
What's your school?
Memorial College, Kurnagar.
How about your marks in the previous term?
So I had 60 marks in my previous term. After attending your class, I have the highest marks in my class as well as I have 98 marks. I'm so glad to hear that.
What's your place in your class?
10.
Yeah, that's a good one. What about the previous term?
Previous term, I'm the 20.
You have improved maybe.
Yes, sir.
So you have to be glad about yourself.
Yes, sir.
You have improved your 60 marks to 98 marks. So you have to be happy about yourself and you have to continuously work, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, just tell me what's your school?
Ashoka Vidyalaya, Colombo 10.
What's your place in your class?
First.
I am the first of the Ashoka Vidyalaya, Colombo 10.
Yes, sir.
How long you are being up to our classes?
From starting the grade 9.
So how do you feel about our class?
Very good and very interesting.
You have all our tudes with you?
Yes.
Okay, so spread the message to your friends. It is very pleasure that when I ask the marks of my each and every class, 6 to 11, single medium, English medium, every class, there are a lot of students who has the highest marks in the class and also in the section as well.